Okay, so here we are watching a very special drone show. We will have like 500 drones around there. You will see them on the screen.
Wow, that's amazing. 500 drones are flying on the sky.
Yeah, this will be something very special, and these things are so cool. I have seen this once before in YouTube, but this...
That drone making a design, that is a Brown Sea.
Yeah, Brown Sea, yeah, the first scout camp trial.
It held in 97.
There's like a big tent in the air, and it's rotating. It's just amazing.
Yeah, so amazing. And let's see what is the next one. This makes art very silent.
Yeah.
Oh, no.
So next we have 1920, the first Jamboree ever.
In where?
UK.
Right, it's
Britain,
UK.
Yeah.
The first World Scout Jamboree held in UK in 1920.
Yeah, it's more than 100 years ago.
Right.
Oh, there's some text too. Yeah, cool.
The next one is something like proposed ones that came out soon. Oh my goodness!
I
look
think
at
you
that.
know this one.
Like Korea Scout Associations, you can see that with the drones. The Korea Scout Association just started our scouting in 1922.
Did you have a big party?
Of course, yes.
Bigger than this one?
Not bigger than this one. This is really special. And let's see what will the next one is coming out.
Oh, you know this one too.
Yeah, in 1991, what I mentioned earlier is the World Scout Jamboree in 1991 in Seorak Mountains in Gangwon-do.
Yeah.
It was our last World Scout Jamboree in Korea.
So cool.
So this time was the 25th World Scout Jamboree, and that one was 17th World Scout Jamboree.
Yeah, and this was second one in Korea?
Yeah, this is the second one.
Just look at it. It's like magic. It's a miracle.
Yeah, it's a miracle. Oh, congratulations everyone!
Yeah.
The 25th World Scout Jamboree is just started now, today, and from tomorrow we will start to doing a scouting in a lot of countries and international friends will making their own friends and learning on new cultures, and I'm really looking forward to meeting young scouts in Korea, in our country.
Yeah, and those digital fireworks are just so cool. I can't pronounce it. Yeah. Oh, what we...
I'm more excited to know what is the next one.
Yeah.
Oh my god, that is so
You can pronounce
cute.
it, please.
So guys, this is our mascot of the 25th World Scout Jamboree. That cute one, the mascot's called 새범이. So we call 새범이. So 새범이.
새범이.
Yes. This is so cute.
Yeah, is it?
It's a 3D.
Oh, yeah. And it's just in the air. It's just so magical.
Yeah, this is our theme, my favorite theme. Draw your dream. Yeah.
And there's the symbols.
Yeah, we have a 3 icon. So this is the first one of our 3 icon. And this one is our second one.
You all know this
Look
one.
at that. Who is it?
Phoebe Berenbauer.
Tenderfoot or second class must remember this and carry out your motto. Be prepared. That is to train yourselves to be strong, active, and clever. Because then, if at any time you are called upon, you know you will be able to lend a hand and do man's work for other people and for your country. I don't mean that you should train especially to be soldiers or sailors, but to be what is better still, good, useful, cheerful citizens. That is what you should aim for. Practice the Scout law in your everyday life. Don't merely know the law by heart. Do it, and you will be happier boys and better men. Think daily on your promise as a Scout, to do your duty to God and the King, to obey the Scout law, and to help other people at all times. Good luck to you and good camping.
Oh, I really wanted to give a clap.
Yeah, it was just so amazing and so magical.
It's really touchable.
Yeah. Okay, the drones are getting back together.
Oh, that's so beautiful.
It's like little sparkles in the air. Yeah. That's cool. Yeah.